at 5 a.m. in the morning, ready to go to Nellore Temple Ruins, which is about 40 kilometers from our homes. And today's Bhaskar's first long ride. The Nellore Temple Ruins are actually located not very far from the Devanhalli airport. So we took the route from Indiranagar to the Old Madras Road and headed straight towards Hoskote. And just near Hoskote, we need to take a diversion to the left, which takes us through some of the most scenic and very green and silent roads where there's not much of traffic, the occasional trucks. As you start getting closer to the site, you're greeted by this large board that talks about the biodiversity heritage site and also the sounds of the many planes that fly right above you. And then you know that you're close to the airport, and at a junction near the Dena Bank, you would see the entrance to the Nellore heritage site, and that's where you need to take a left. Very soon, on either side of the road, you'll be greeted by the large tamarind trees of the tamarind grove, and the Nellore temple ruins would actually be hidden amongst these tamarind trees towards your right.
All the avatars over here which has been carved out, sculpted, is all forms of Krishna.
Okay.
This is Tandava on the snake.
Okay. This is definitely Krishna, I can tell that.
Yes, this is Krishna.
The flute.
He is
Gopikas.
Okay. Krishna.
And this is Krishna climbing a tree, I think.
Yeah.
Tamarind tree? Is this
This
the
is
tamarind?
Balakand. When he was a child, if you see that side, no?
Yeah.
You have all the how we have seen Krishna. But in this side, in our tradition, what happens when a child is born, you dress him up like Krishna. So that's exactly they have done. The Chola's hairstyle, but they've given different forms of what Krishna does. So here, like eating butter.
Our culture, there is no concept.
This is more advanced.
More advanced.
Yes, definitely. See this.
This is a simple
For
example.
example, see, using today technology, as far as
There's no
as far as
cement.
I know,
There's no
this
motor.
is see this.
It's all rock and roll. Check out this. There is a channel which is done over here, and it's impossible to carve a hole through a granite like that. It's not such an easy thing.
Years ago.
It is not fallen down, no? This is the face of this one, no?
No. This is makara, which is basically used to. It's like when you do the abhisheka there, no? Inside, that water flows out of this.
We have this.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಆನಂದ್ ಅಂತ. ಯುವ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರಾಮಾಂತರ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ವಿಭಾಗ ಸಂಚಾಲಕನಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ನಲ್ಲೂರು ಕೋಟೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಸ್ಥಳ ಆದದ್ದು. ಸುಮಾರು ಚೋಳರ ಕಾಲದ್ದು 700-800 ವರ್ಷ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ದೇವಾಲಯ ಪೂರ್ವಿಕರು ಕಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ದುಸ್ಥಿತಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಪೂರ್ವಿಕರು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ದೇವಾಲಯ, ಅದನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೀನಾಯವಾದ ನಾವು ಜೀವನ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರಾಮಾಂತರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ದೇವನಹಳ್ಳಿ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಲ್ಲೂರು ಕೋಟೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿರುವಂಥ ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ. ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿದೆ, ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೂ ಅದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಬಿಂದು. ಒಂದೇ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿರುವಂಥ ದೇವಾಲಯ, ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ದೇವಾಲಯ. ತುಂಬ ಸುಂದರವಾದ ಕೆತ್ತನೆ ಇದೆ,
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಅವರಿದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆದರೆ ಚಾವಣಿ ಕಳಚಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಪರಿಸರ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಪರಿಸರನ ಈ ದೇವಾಲಯ ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆಗೆ ಕಾಣಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಇದನ್ನು ತೆರವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಗಿಡಗಳೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು. ಈಗ ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆಗೆ ದೇವಾಲಯ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಆಗಬೇಕಿದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೇವಾಲಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರು ಏನು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ದೇವನಹಳ್ಳಿಯಿಂದ. ಈ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಕೆಲಸ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶ್ರಮಜೀವಿಗಳೇ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಫಲಾಪೇಕ್ಷೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಸಮಾಜದ ಕೆಲಸನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯುವ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ ಸದಾ ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡೇ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1 ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಬಂತು.
ಹೌದಾ ಸರ್?
ಯುವ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಸರ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Okay. Having been to this Nallur temple ruin site earlier on a couple of occasions, I had noticed that it was quite badly kept and in a very dilapidated state. But now it is very encouraging to see these volunteers clear up the place and make it a much more welcoming heritage site open to the public.
See, 1, 2 capitals.
Oh, okay,
There is one more capital. Here is one more capital. What it shows is it is behind this.
Oh, it is standing here, I think.
Yes, yes. These are the pillar capitals.
Okay. It was really heartening to see the volunteers had cleared up the weeds and inspiring as well. So the next time you're traveling to the airport, just try and stop by here for a view of the Nallur ruins, or better yet, bring your family and kids, maybe on a bicycle ride or on a motorbike. If you're wondering what to do for the next couple of Sundays, just drop by here and help the volunteers clear up this place, and I'm sure you will feel rejuvenated. In protecting our culture, history, heritage, and biodiversity.
ಅದನ್ನೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈನಿಕರು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಊಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಂಚೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ತಂದಾಗಂತ ಹುಂಚೆ ಬೀಜನ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ಕಿ ಹುಂಚೆ ಬೀಜ ಚೆಲ್ಲಿರೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇದ್ದು ಈ ಹುಂಚೆ ಮರ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಹುಣಸೆ ಮರನು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 400-500 ವರ್ಷ
ಇದೆ ಸರ್. 400 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. 400 ವರ್ಷಗಳಂದ್ರೆ 1113ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, 400 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
So here we are at the Nallur heritage site, which also houses thousands of tamarind trees. Now these are tamarind trees that are almost 400 years old or even longer, we don't know. And you can see here one of the trees, the size of these trees are so amazing that you won't get to see these trees anywhere else in the country probably. These are very unique to this area, and this is now converted into a heritage site. Now here if you look at this tree, this is probably a very old tree, and it is said that the seeds that fall from these trees give rise to newer trees. So you can see some of these newer trees which are there inside, the smaller ones, which have actually grown from those seeds and have actually increased the longevity of this particular tree.
जुणु तेरे किडतक जुणु तेरे किडतक जुणु तेरे किडतक तू तुंदनु तनना तुंदनु तनना तुंदनु तनना